Welcome, friend. This isn't just a video. It's part of something bigger. Flexi Plus was built to map structure. Yes, but also to build connection. If you've ever felt lost on the chart, you're not alone. Many of us started that way. This guide will walk you through how Flexi Plus draws clarity from chaos, and how we as a community use it to grow, question, and share. Whether you're here to learn the basics, refine your setups, or just get inspired, you're in the right place. Shadow Edge Flexi Plus is a comprehensive price action analysis tool that provides valuable insights into market structure and potential price movements through higher time frame analysis. Let's get into it. Now, why does Flexi Plus even matter? Before you trade, you need a map, not just momentum. I believe so anyhow, because I used to chase price without knowing where I stood. No map, no rhythm, just noise. And then I'd end up on the wrong side with a bleeding account. Flexi Plus draws the map. This increases our understanding of how price moves and transitions from high to low or low to high. It marks the zones, shows the levels, and helps you see where price structure actually lives. And even more importantly, where it might shift. This is very handy if you're a reversal catcher. Let's dive into the settings. First, reset your TradingView. Find Flexi Plus in the invite-only section. Then plug it in. You're good to go. Then choose your higher time frame. I like the daily, H4, and H1, and I use H1 mostly for short-lived scalps. After all, I want to enjoy my life. Let Flexi Plus draw the anchor of the higher time frame, the open, the distribution, and the manipulation zones. This is your map. Flexi quickly populates the levels that matter. Here's how Flexi Plus draws the zones. The lines aren't guesses. They mark where price tends to speak. Let's talk levels, because this is where Flexi Plus gets precise. Anchor, the vertical line at the session or higher time frame open. A key reference to toggle it off if you don't need it. Open, the horizontal line from the open of your chosen higher time frame. The exact price where it all began, previous high and low. These are magnets. Price often likes to revisit or reject. Manipulation, where price faked a move, liquidity swept, imbalance filled. Here's some secret sauce. Reversals tend to start here, after the manipulation level is hit. Distribution, where price is likely to distribute to. Also a hint that momentum may be fading. Great place to partial. Nobody wants to get stopped at break-even, right? Deep, premium and deep discount levels. Statistically significant deep zones. I'm bold enough to suggest they are prime areas for reaction. Not entries, but exits. You can customize all of this freely. Change colors, shade zones, make it yours. These aren't just signals. They're giving context to where price is, and context sharpens conviction. Stay sharp, even when you're away. Alerts let you breathe without missing key moments. These alerts are optional, but they've got your back when you're not watching. Enable sweep alerts. Toggle the system. On or off. Alert on previous high sweep. Get notified when price takes out the previous high. Alert on previous low sweep. Get notified when price takes out the previous low. Sweep, offset, set a buffer before alerts trigger. Filters out noise. Live your life. Come back when price lines up. Let alerts do the watching. You can use alerts to catch. Structure shifts, liquidity grabs, or just know when the game's back on. Need setup help for alerts? Check the user guide or the official TradingView documentation. Now onto the stats table. This quick glance at the stats helps ground you when the screen's noisy. This box gives structure. The stats table is a compact overlay. It shows recent structure at a glance. Highs, lows, ranges, etc. Turn it on for quick bias context. Adjust the style. Light or dark, bold or small. Make it match your chart. It's not essential. But when used well, it sharpens your flow. Sense. Now that theory's done, it's time to walk the field. Here's how price tends to behave around key levels from Flexi Plus. Liquidity sweep at manipulation zones. Price run stops just beyond a manipulation zone. Rule: no engagement unless at your M levels are hit. Flexi Plus marks the bait. Fade from distribution. Price pushes into a distribution zone, then stalls. Breathes, no drive. That's your cue. Fade the move or exit the trade. Deep premium. Discount reaction. Price taps a deep level, then pauses. This is where you lean in. This is your max TP. If you're not already out, this is your final stop. As I'm sure you understand by now, Flexi Plus is not a signal bot. Flexi levels tell the story of price. Flexi Plus helps you read them, not to predict, but to respond. Flexi Plus was never just about charts. It's about the conversation. The levels are drawn by code, but the learning comes from all of us. Join us in the Discord. Drop your charts. Ask your questions. Share what you're seeing. Whether you're here to learn or just to observe, there's a place for you. We're building this together, and it gets sharper with every chart you share. See you inside. Thanks for watching.